If your taco bowl feels boring, you're probably missing this one step. Today I'll show you how to build it the right way. And if you love balanced, high-protein meals like this, don't forget to subscribe. This is my sweet potato taco bowl. Cook the sweet potatoes in the oven for 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. 1 medium onion, half a cup of diced tomato, ground beef, 500 grams or 1 pound. Season with half a teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of Mexican blend spice. Add and stir the chopped onion. Add tomato paste, 2 tablespoons. Pour in half a cup of beef stock, 125 milliliters. Add fresh coriander, 1/4 cup. Now we're going to mix 1 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of Mexican blend spice, half a teaspoon of lime juice, and a pinch of salt. Stir until smooth and creamy, then refrigerate until you're ready to assemble the bowl. Add the cherry tomatoes, red onion, jalapenos, fresh coriander, a pinch of salt, and fresh lime juice. Mix everything together and you have your pico de gallo, fresh, vibrant, and full of flavor. For this recipe, I'm using 1 large avocado, and I'll slice it just before assembling so it stays fresh and creamy. Finally, peel your roasted sweet potatoes and slice them up so we're ready to start building our bowl. Now assemble your bowl. Start with the taco mince, add the sliced sweet potatoes, top with fresh pico de gallo, a spoon of seasoned sour cream, fresh coriander, avocado slices, and finish with chili sauce or Tabasco if you like some heat. Balanced, flavorful, and perfectly layered. That's how you build a taco bowl. If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe for more meals that are simple, satisfying, and full of flavor.